Very good morning to everyone. This is pre-market outlook session for the 14th of January 2026. See, as per our behavioral analysis, the 25,740 is playing its vital role till now. But if you look back about the importance, the level of 25,740 made, that was happened first time during the November month, and it is almost 2 month of period. It has been acting as a very core defending zone or a support zone, we can say, which is not allowing Nifty to close below the level of the 25,740 consecutively 2 days in a row. One day it has already 2 occasions made a close, but it could not consecutively make it. So that is what the behavioral analysis is giving the outcome. See the strength as a proof. It has shown already in many occasions, and we also discussed it, which is as long as held by Nifty, nothing to worry. The positional trading will be on the positive side only. Don't think any negativity or any downside level till it is closing below 25,740 as a whole, 25,700 as a psychological one. Then what we can do with a buy and dip strategy, adapt a buy and dip strategy, which will be very much helpful for you to take the trade by keeping the strategy 25,740 below close for the consecutive 2 sessions. Until otherwise it is closing, even a 1 day close also, you no need to close the positions, but somewhat you can get caution about the positions you are having in case it is very higher or very huge in the lots or quantities. Until then, until it is getting a clear confirmation, no need of getting out of the long positions. You can keep building it, make a confident, make a clarity on the outcome what we are providing, which has many proofs recently, particularly this 25,740 given for us. That is what we wanted to think about how to approach the market, because as per the proof it has provided for us, which is very easy to understand and which is very useful to make your decisions on the trading, particularly on the positional trade, without any obstacles. So what we can say, it is very simple to maintain a long positions or building the long positions for the positional traders we are providing now. That can be done by maintaining the strategies, and for the targets and all, 26,000 some portions can be reduced, and around 26,100 another portions can be reduced, but not in a full-fledged manner. You need to get out of the overall positions. Step by step the profits can be booked, and you can enjoy the profits whatever you are booking, and even you can re-enter again around the purchased zone or till the 25,740 is getting closed below. So that is what the clear strategy for the positional traders. To be summarized this in a simple manner, we can say until 25,740 is getting closed for 2 consecutive days, long build-ups with a buy and dip strategy one can adapt, and every long, if you are adapting from the current level even till the support zones, so it can be utilized to book the profits around 26,000 and 26,100 step by step 100 points interval. So you can enjoy making gains. So that's it. The rebound what happened was, when compared to the yesterday's behavior, for today it is giving a clue, like the rebound happened in the day before yesterday's one was restrained for the yesterday's behavior. Anyhow, the overall positional behavior is still having a positive outlook only. For today's one, we have to be very cautious while approaching the Nifty. What it would be on the direction side means, of course, the direction would be on the probability will be on the higher side, because it is actually still holding the supports. That is the only reason that supports are actually mentioned as here for the today's level. So 25,700, 25,600 and all would be acting as a core support point if the Nifty is breaking below 25,700. Very simple. But you need to see whether it is closing below 25,700 for any large time frame you can take. If it is closing below, you can actually increase the caution for your long build-up. No need of getting out of the positions. You can maintain the long positions, and you can also watch the larger time frame with a level of 25,700 below, whether it is happening or not. If it is, even though it is happening, no need to totally close the positions. It can be reduced some long positions, but you can still wait the day is end, because until the day end, the bounce back, if anything is happening, it is actually allowing the Nifty to move above the 25,700, means there is no chance for the bear trend to dominate, because buy on dips is the strategy is working out like you can meant for that. And because of this buy on dip strategy, you will be enjoying the target of 26,000 even for today. So if it is approaching 26, there you can book maximum at least 50% of the profit you can book it. Or otherwise, if you are a safe trader, 70 to 80% profit can be booked around the 26,000. Those who have bought for only intraday trading. This is not positional strategy. Okay. For the positional, as explained, 25,700 would be acting as a very core defending point or defending zone. As long as it is holding, nothing to be worried. Longs can be built, and further accumulation can also be done. With an increased manner, the profits can be booked around 26,000, 26,100, and even 26,200. Until it is reaching 26,300, there is no bigger resistance from the positional perspective. So you can plan accordingly based on the levels and strategies we have discussed. For the day, the sectoral moves can be expected from public sector banks, finance, metal, energy, oil and gas, realty. The main focus can be built on oil and gas and energy oriented stocks. After that, metal, and then PSU banks. And financial services or finance oriented stocks in the way of mid and small cap can be focused well. For the realty, it would be mid cap oriented stocks, maybe eyeing for a rebound or a bouncing back kind of activities. So that's it from sectoral side we can discuss. And from the stocks front, the many stocks including earnings oriented, news based, technical behavior oriented and all listed here amongst many, we can actually focus for the day trading opportunities, including stocks like ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and General Insurance. Both the stocks can be focused. We are expecting mild negativity on the stocks because of the dismal results announced by the company of Prudential Life Insurance particularly. And Oil India based on technical behavior, Trent Limited also based on technical behavior, Lawson and Tubro also based on technical behavior, Tata Elxsi based on earnings outcome. The stock may be feeling the selling pressure here because of the results was expected. That means announced less than the expected pattern sales. Dixon Technology based on technicals, Just Dial based on results, and the Bank of Maharashtra also based on technicals. These are all the stocks that day traders can watch out. For today's results-oriented stocks, which are all announcing their quarterly earnings for December ended, means Infosys, the tech giant, is going to announce its quarterly results for the December ended 2026. And HDFC AMC, ICICI AMC, both are asset management companies, would be on focus because they are also announcing along with the Infosys for the quarterly ended December earnings report. Indian Overseas Bank, HDB Financials, MRPL, Network 18, Aditya Birla Money, these are all other companies are expected to release their quarterly earnings today. So keeping stop loss discipline is very, very important for all kind of trades, particularly in this kind of indecisive behavior in the market. Even though it is positionally positive, the day trading opportunities will be available in a mixed way that should be approached with a high caution by following strategies, levels we have discussed. So that's it for the day. Enjoy the day with almost accomplishment in every trades you are trying. Thank you for participating.